Hello guys, how are you? This is my new YouTube channel named Kush Patel Dash the Coder. So basically guys, in this channel there are going to come specific types of videos such as coding videos, simple experiments, sometimes it can come and math tricks that will help in your competitive exams and school exams to faster your calculations and you can spend more time on your long questions and can check the paper at the end of the paper. So guys, then we are going to learn very easy concepts and hard concepts with fun that you will think that we are playing, but actually we are going to learn. Okay. So basically I am learning and teaching you concept because we have to make our future bright, so just get ready, and my first coding videos will be of Python. So we will go step by step from small to large. For example, first we will get what is Python. Downloading Python variables like that it will come. So gradually we will proceed. Okay. So once our means course is completed, we will do one live stream and we are going to make amazing projects and simple and hard complex game that we can play and others can play, so you can learn by watching my tutorials. Okay, and you can show this games and amazing project in your school or colleges as per your talent, means as a talent show. Okay, so every day means every time I will come with great content with fun that you will like that content, and I will try my best to make my video. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can be in touch with me and I to be in touch with you. Okay, so guys, please be ready. I am i am coming very soon and my videos are also coming very soon. Just wait and watch.